Hi guys, today I did like guys.
Look at me. Where you want to go? Hmm? You want to go on top there today? Guys, it's a rainy day. The rain is drizzling slightly, but Zaid insists that he wants to go for a walk. And he wants to go and dig. So, let's see if we can get a little 5 minutes of digging. You're supposed to come with your boots because the ground is a little wet. Okay, go ahead. Reach in. Take your time. You're supposed to put on your boots. See if you can make it to the top. Go ahead. Use your shovel to help you. Let me see you. Don't be afraid. Go ahead. Up. Yeah, press your shovel down and use it. Use it to go up. Go up. No, don't throw it out there. The people have to use that. You have to throw it back on top of the pile. That's to finish the basketball court, guys. We're still waiting. No work hasn't been done yet. We only got 2 stone piles. Oh, I'm sliding too. Mama and Zaid is sinking here. Look at my feet. Already in. Supposed to wear boots. Let's see. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Ah! As we make a step, we're going back. Oh no, these vines are caught in my slipper. Ah. Ah. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Ah. Go ahead. Ah. Oh man. He's sliding. Alright, we'll have to find another spot to climb. Let's see if we can make it, guys. Hmm? Can we do it? Shake your slippers out. Shake it, shake it, shake your foot, shake your foot, shake it out. Shake it, wiggle, wiggle. Ow, you're putting your dirty shovel on me. Your shovel has mud. You get it? You have to use your shovel like this and walk up. Hold it. Right, walk. Yeah.
It's a vine.
Leave the vine, leave the vine. Just now. We can't make it up. We're sliding too much. I guess the stone is wet. And our slippers is not equipped for climbing a stone pile. Let me see your slippers. And the front of the slipper has mud on it.
My slipper too.
Your slipper get dirty now. You wanted to climb it. Put your foot back in. We'll wash it out. Put your foot back in.
No, I want my foot.
You want your foot?
I want my foot to climb.
Hmm?
I want my foot to climb.
You want your foot to climb? You can't put your foot there. Your foot will be full of mud.
Mud?
Yeah. You see mud on your slipper? Put back your foot in the slippers.
Who's a boy?
I don't know who's the A boy. You know, easy. Somebody say A boy. Somebody.
Oh, guy?
Somebody.
Somebody?
Your pants falling down. You have to fix your pants. Don't scatter the stone too much.
No, I doing hard work.
You're doing hard work. Okay.
Yeah, I doing muddy work.
Muddy work. Yes, that's why I told you you should have brought your boots because you want to dig and you come without your boots. Your slipper will be really dirty. Yeah. Don't touch underneath. I'm already seeing mud there. Because the stone is wet. That's why. Rainfall. Guys, you're hearing the water in the background. Between there. Let me see if you can see it on the camera. Where is it? It's right there. The rain falls really hard today, so a lot of water is coming down. Don't scatter the stone. Throw it back on top. Throw it back on top. When you dig, throw it back on top.
No, I thought you.
Look at those chickens. Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You want to try climbing one more time? Take care there, take care. Divine is hooking up on her foot. Come down. Come, just come down slowly. You stuck? Okay, come this way. Oh, shake your foot out. Stand on top here. Because it has water between there. Okay, take your time and walk. Watch where you're going. That's your little muddy foot. Your little muddy slipper. Oh, that's a big shadow penny plant there. Right there, guys. Look at the huge shadow penny. Look how fat the leaves are. It's big. Okay, Zaid made it out. You made it? Land ahoy. Okay. Woo. I think ants is biting me. Yep. My slippers has ants. Ants is biting. Oh, my foot. I walked in an ant's patch. An ant's nest. And ants bite my foot. Knock your foot. Do like this. Stamp it out. Yours good? Okay.
I took my foot.
Yeah, you need to clean your slipper. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Remember to
Subscribe.
like and subscribe. See you guys later.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, bang, bang.